Have your school created Apaar ID for your ward? This video discusses in detail what is Apaar ID, Apaar benefits, how to get Apaar, some FAQs. Finally, we will log into my child's Digilocker for the first time to retrieve his virtual Apaar ID. This is your host Asha. This channel is all about sharing my journey as I navigate my child's academic path from school tips to Olympiad preparation, foundation courses, EA Cares question paper and answers, MCQs, curriculum insights, and other useful online resources. I upload videos that reflect my experience, thoughts, and understanding along the way. Whether you're a fellow parent or just looking for a supportive space to learn and grow, you are in the right place. Welcome to Create Your Meza. If you're interested, consider subscribing to my channel. Let's get started. First, let's answer the most obvious question. What is Apaar? As India moved towards the vision of One Nation, One System, initiatives like One Nation, One Election, One Nation, One Identification, and One Nation, One Ration Card are being introduced to simplify governance and accelerate digitalization by bringing all the processes under a unified framework. Apaar, Automated Permanent Academic Account Registry, is an initiative with the slogan One Nation, One Student ID, your gateway to a seamless digital academic journey. Apaar ID helps in a seamless integration of skills and experience into a credit-based system. Apaar empowers students to accumulate and store their academic accomplishments, facilitating seamless transition between institutions for the pursuit of further education. Apaar ID simplifies the process of credit recognition and transfer right from one school level, thereby streamlining academic progression and recognition of prior learning. So what do they mean by this? They mean, imagine you study in school A and completed a computer science course where you earn credits. Later, you transfer to school B with Apaar ID. Your credits from school A are recognized and automatically added to your records in school B. You don't have to repeat the same course again. Second, Apaar benefits. Recognize learning achievements, allow students to choose own learning path, enable students mobility and academic flexibility. This is the main point according to me. How to get the Apaar? In my scenario, it was initiated by his school. So these are the steps. Educating parents. Parents visit school to learn about Apaar ID. Second, parents fill up consent form voluntarily for Apaar ID creation. Third, Apaar ID generated. UDISE system generates Apaar ID against PEN ID of student. Fourth, upload to Digilocker. Apaar ID is pushed into the student's Digilocker account. So you might be wondering, what is UDISE system? What is PEN ID of a student? Is it different from Apaar? So I had the same question and started to research. Unified District Information System for Education Plus is an educational management information system under the Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education under Government of India. UDISE Plus functions as a central platform that enables respective schools to efficiently record and submit data related to its profile, infrastructure and facilities, individual students and teachers' details. So this is UDISE Plus. Now I had the next doubt. Is PEN number same as Apaar ID? No, the permanent education number PEN and Apaar ID are not the same. Apaar ID is a national lifelong academic identifier linked to a student's Aadhaar number, while PEN is a state level identifier that is used as a prerequisite to generate the national Apaar ID. So here I have explained in simple terms. UDISE Plus is the central organization as we have seen. PEN number. This is generated by the local school where the child is taking up the education. So, UDISE Plus with the PEN number, which is the prerequisite, links to the child's Aadhaar and creates the Apaar ID. This is what I understand. Frequently asked questions. Most of them we have covered. Number 5. What are the prerequisites for generating an Apaar ID? Before generating an Apaar ID, the following prerequisites must be considered. Number 1. The name of the student as per the student records in UDISE Plus must match with the name of the student as per Aadhaar. Number 2. PEN of the student is mandatory for generating Apaar ID. So, if there is a mismatch, problems might arise. If you want to read more about it, you can visit their website www.apaar.education.gov.in. So this was the first part of the video. Now that I have got the Apaar, let's log into their website for the first time to retrieve the virtual Apaar ID. A few days ago, I received a message saying that I can download my virtual Apaar ID by visiting the website on my registered mobile number. So I went on to the website www.digilocker.gov. Click on the login button. In the login screen, enter your registered mobile ID. Click continue. Next screen, verify OTP. You'll get the OTP in the same registered mobile number. Enter it. Click verify. Next screen, verify your identity. You have to enter your Aadhaar ID. Click verify. Next screen, verify Aadhaar OTP. So the OTP will be given to the registered mobile number of the child's Aadhaar. So keep that in handy. Enter it. Click verify. Once verified, they will ask you to set your security pin. As per the instruction, set your security pin. Write it somewhere for future use. Click complete. So now we have entered son's Digilocker account. This is how it looks like. First, again, it's asking me to verify his Aadhaar. So I will click verify now. OTP will be received in the child's Aadhaar registered mobile number. Verify that. Once the Aadhaar is updated, you can see all the government issued documents of the child displayed here. So here you can see two, which is Apaar ID and Aadhaar ID. You can click on to the issued documents and then download them. Save it for future use. There you go, we have reached the last part of this video. Hope you have understood everything regarding Apaar ID. Comment below if your school have opted for it and you have received your Apaar ID. And don't forget to subscribe. Meet you soon in the next video. Until then, bye.